How to change language on Vinted. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Vinted application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once opened, you will be led to the home page of Vinted. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and further in the menu that appears, scroll down and navigate to Settings and tap on that. You will then see the option for language. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to change your region. Simply select from the provided language on the screen, which depends on your region. So, this is how you can change language on Vinted. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.